House of Power Enterprises, the pray say sudden death no go be our portion and misfortune no go before us and our family. But no just sit down dey low. Alele, carry body join wise people to prevent yourself. Get your CCTV camera wey go allow you monitor your house and your environment from your smartphone anywhere where you dey in the whole world. Our CCTV camera dey very affordable and e get alarm wey go dey shout when bad belle people waka near your area. Either light dey or e no dey. As we got dey do promo now, we go dey give any customer wey buy 4 camera at the go a special customized powerful power bank. You fit buy any other house equipment wey dey use solar energy like solar generator, solar pumping machine, solar refrigerator, solar iron, solar floodlight, solar street light, solar power bank, solar blender, solar ceiling, table or standing fan, and many more. You fit call or WhatsApp us make we describe where our office dey around you on 080-3721-0942 or 090-3164-3988. For House of Power Enterprises, now your safety be our concern.